Viewers, fresh firing incident has been recorded in Manipur. The tensions have flared in the peripheral areas of Imphal East and Kangpokpi district, while the rest of the state celebrated Christmas, praying for peace and normalcy. Tensions have broken out in parts of Manipur. Since early in the morning, around 6:30 a.m., Sinamkom village in Imphal East has been under heavy attack by armed miscreants from Kangpokpi, while the rest of the state was looking forward to celebrating a peaceful Christmas day. The people of Sinamkom and nearby villages were forced to wake up to the loud and disturbing sounds of bombs being fired from the scenic Kangpokpi Hills by so-called village volunteers. In response to the attacks, security forces retaliated strongly. There are no updates on how many people have been nabbed or killed over the incident, over the firing which has been reported in Manipur. In fact, there is no information yet on the casualties caused on the side of the villagers. Fresh firing has been reported in Manipur. Viewers, tensions have flared in the peripheral areas of Imphal East and Kangpokpi district, while the rest of the state was looking forward to celebrate a peaceful Christmas. Fresh firing has been reported in Manipur. Since early morning around 6:30 in the AM, Sinamkom village in Imphal has been under heavy attack by armed miscreants from Kangpokpi. People of Sinamkom and nearby villages were forced to wake up to the loud and disturbing sounds of bombs being fired from Kangpokpi. Extra forces have been rushed to the scene for pacifying the attacks and for rescue operations. We're also being joined by my colleague Anirudh on the story to get us more on the incident. There is some problem. Anirudh, tell me more details about the incident. A firing was reported on Christmas in Manipur, and sources are saying that the fire came from the Kangpokpi districts, in fact the Kangpokpi Hills. What are the security measures that are being taken right now, and how far has this attack been pacified as of yet? Anirudh.
Yes, firing started early morning at around 6:30 today, and since the firing started, there have been a heavy retaliation by the security forces from the valley side as well. From the foothills, the firing was initiated, and in response to the firing by suspected militants, the security forces heavily retaliated, and we are getting to know that heavy deployment of more additional forces have been made in the area, in the locality where the firing was reported. The firing has taken place in the fringe area of Imphal East, bordering Kangpokpi district early morning today. And now the situation is reportedly calm, and no fresh firing has been reported, though more additional forces have been pressed in.
Right, Aniruddha. Thank you so much for getting us the updates. We will move on to another breaking news.